How to contact Merrill Edge self-directed investing support. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for help with your brokerage account, questions or technical issues. So you can follow this method for that. So you can directly head over to merrilledge.com for that and directly look at the help section. For that, look at the help option in the top right and select it. And there we can follow up the process. So we have the section where we can find resources and support from Merrill. We can just go and look out for direct investing, main support, or we have move money, manage account, investment account, alerts, etc. We can just go over and look out for that page and log in into your account and get the support from there. Or you can scroll down, and when we scroll down here, we'll be finding a phone number, a dedicated phone number, dedicated line for self-directed account. If you want a different one, you can directly also look out for Merrill and just go and type in self-directed and type in investing account support and type in number. And it will directly provide you with the self-directed client's number within the Merrill Edge. You can directly look out for that within their site, or it can also look out for this international number available, which will basically help you with anything else as well. And you can even schedule an appointment if you prefer, and just go over and contact them for official self-directed investing issues. Otherwise, we also might have a live chat option. You can use that option within the site as well, and contact them for general issues, and specialized representatives are available during business hours. You can use that method, and also be ready with your account number, user ID, and verify your phone number when contacting support by phone, and that should speed up the process. And that is it, everybody. You may follow that method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.